Get one. Oh, I'm so good. I'm gonna solve this. I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Oh, I'm so good. I'm so good. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, I got so much of them. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so good. Everybody else is so dog water. Oh, I'm so good. I'm so good. You see me? I'm so good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The guy who gives up. I give up. I'm gonna use a solver. I with a false sense of pride. Yeah, I did it. I'm so good at Rubik's Cubing, you know? Wait, let me do an impossible scramble. Okay. This scramble is literally impossible. As you can see, it's impossible. Yeah, I did it. I'm so good. I'm so good. Yes, let's go. Guy who uses algorithms. Left, up, right, back, left, up, right, back, left, up, right, back, left, up, right, back, left, up. Solved it. From a solved position, using an algorithm. Algorithms. I'm so smart because I use algorithms. The guy who doesn't really know his algorithms. Is it right, left? No, it's left, right. No. Okay, let's go to Wikipedia. Thinks he's going fast. Oh, I'm so fast. Going faster than you ever could. Oh my God, I'm so fast. I'm so fast. How am I this fast? Yes! That's like, yeah, that was so fast. The guy who thinks he's slow. Yeah, I'm pretty slow. I don't really know my algorithms. Done. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.